Supper Wednesday? Let's get cooking from skillet to plate. Just take a look in.
Hello folks, welcome back. It's that time again for What's for Supper Wednesday. And this week we're going to be having a quick, easy meal. All you're going to need is some Parmesan cheese, some diced tomatoes. We would normally be using our own. We've run out. Lord willing, be having some before real long out of the garden. You'll need some butter. We're going to be using a whole stick. Some garlic. That's some of the garlic we had raised this year. And some egg noodles. Whatever noodles you want. This time we're going to be using egg noodles in ours. It really don't matter. Just what is your favorite pasta? Alrighty, let's get started. Alrighty, first we're going to start off by cooking the noodles. Just cook them like you normally would. But we are going to stop it just a little bit sooner. Cook them sort of al dente. And also, folks, this is going to be a one pot meal. What we'll do, once these get done cooking, I'll stir these up in just a second when I quit running my mouth. We'll stir these up. Once they get cooked, we'll drain them out. Keep them set to the side. We're going to add the butter, the garlic, and the tomatoes. And then we'll put our noodles back in after we cook the tomatoes just a little bit. Alrighty, add your butter in there. We'll put the garlic we just chopped up in there. Just get your butter good and melted. We're going to let that garlic saute here just for about 30 seconds or so. Alrighty. Just going to let this butter heat up with the garlic in it there. We're getting ready to pour our tomatoes in. Now folks, we use diced tomatoes. Crushed tomatoes work well also. And it'll soon be garden time here, getting the tomatoes out of the garden. Fresh tomatoes in there would be good also. And feel free to add in if you want onions in it. Anything like that there. This is just our little quick version that we did. It's simple, but gosh, it tastes great, folks. And cheap. On a budget. This here, and you can get a couple meals out of it there. Now we're using egg noodles, like I said before. Use whatever noodles you like. We like these noodles here. We've also made it, with elbow noodles. But just whatever your preference is. And like I said, it's simple, but dang, it's good. We also like I think we've done a video on that before, and a lot of you probably has made this before also. But the ones that hasn't made it and tried it, gosh, it's good, folks. We like also buttered noodles. Just, we'll cook the noodles like that there. Like I said, I think we've done a video on it. But if we haven't, putting the Parmesan cheese in there now. Put however much of that you want in there also. But buttered noodles, it's good. Just cook those noodles, put a stick of butter down in there. Maybe a little bit of garlic if you want. And folks, you might as well say it's done. Quick, easy, simple. Working outside all day, come in, throw this together in a hurry. And it heats up good also. Alrighty, we'll get them over here to try it.
Delicious.
How about you, Dan?
Delicious.
All right, folks. Quick and fast. Didn't take maybe 20 minutes, if that. Just what takes longest is cooking the noodles. I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Stay safe. Lord willing, be seeing you soon. Thank you, guys.
Down on the farm where the green grass grows, we're thankful for the love that everybody knows. It's another day under the white blue sky, with the sun shining bright and the time drifting by. Holmans Homestead, where the story unfolds, our hearts full of laughter and our memories go. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee. At Holmans Homestead, we're never alone. With every view and every share, you make this place home. From sunrise to sunset in fields so wide, with family and friends, we've nothing to hide. We're building our dreams one day at a time, with each gentle tune and each heartfelt rhyme. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee. At Holmans Homestead, we're never alone. With every view and every share, you make this place home. From sunrise to sunset in fields so wide, with family and friends, we've nothing to hide. We're building our dreams one day at a time, with each gentle tune and each heartfelt rhyme. So here's to the moments we all hold dear. With every new subscriber, we spread that cheer. In the heart of the homestead, love's always true. Thank you for being a part of our crew. So thank you for watching, we all hold dear. With every new subscriber, we spread that cheer. In the heart of the homestead, love's always true. Thank you for being a part of our crew. So thank you for watching as we close this song. At Holmans Homestead, where we all belong. With your hearts beside us, we'll keep rolling on. Thank you for watching, we'll see you at dawn.